Welcome to Umeda.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway.
I'm gonna take you to Loft and Mujigabushi.
I told myself that
We are with our handsome friend.
Yes, I am.
He's making his own startup. So we just left Starbucks to Taya, and now we're gonna go to where are we gonna go?
Like my father told me there is a big tree.
It's raining. See that?
Really bad time.
We are planning to go to the big tree. Oto-san recommended the place, so we're just gonna check it out. We have to walk for 10 minutes, and yeah, after the big tree, we're just gonna head back home and work a little bit, and then meet another friend at 8 p.m. This day is kind of packed. Ta-da! These are the jackets that we got from Okasan. I really like the color. It was 10 a.m. and she called me at 10 a.m. She was in the shopping mall already and I was still sleeping. She called me to ask what kind of color I wanted to get. So I got this red one, and you got the white one with a hoodie. You like your jacket?
Yes, yes.
have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah. It's
What is this?
German festival.
A German festival, yeah.
And that's our interest.
Oh, it's beautiful.
taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, it's spitting me out. I just can't.
Smells so nice.
Yeah.
It
Smells.
makes me hungry.
It's Christmas time. That's the big tree right there.
See, we can go
I'm
inside.
feeling the Christmas.
Okay, we can go inside the tree.
Oh, actually, I didn't notice. We're going inside the tree. I'm gonna show you.
I was gonna be around them.
We are inside and we're going up. Yeah, so that was. Oh, it's beautiful.
Well, dinner's on our own.
That was the end of our Christmas tree adventure.
Shine